everyone. This is also one important problem of the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. In the campus recruitment and all, they are asking like these problems. Because these problems now, if you understand, very easy only. See the question. A tin of oil was 4/5 full. Okay. When six bottles of oil were taken out and four bottles of oil were poured into it, it was 3/4 full. How many bottles of oil can the tin contain? See, I am taking the number of bottles the fill that can fill the tin completely is X. Number of bottles I am taking X. Okay. See, in the beginning, what he is telling, a tin of oil was 4/5 full. So, 4 over 4x over 5, it was full. Then what is happening? There are 6 bottles of oil were taken out. They are taking out 6 bottles of oil. Okay. Again, what they are doing, 4 bottles of oil were poured into it. Removing, they are taking out 6 bottles. They are again pouring 4 bottles into it. Okay. So 6 minus 4. They are taken out 6. Then pouring into it 4 bottles. So 6 minus 4. After that, what is happening? It was 3/4 full. 3x by 4. Okay. Now 6 minus 4 is 2. Now I am taking LCM. What is LCM? 20. Am I right? So into 4 into 4. Here into 5 into 5 numerator and denominator. So 16x minus 15x by 20 is equal to 2. Okay, x by 20 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 40. So number of bottles is equal to 40. Thank you.